Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Quantum 950 and I'm going to show you how to install and set up these headphones with your Android application. At first, open the Play Store and install this application. So go to search, and search for the JBL Quantum. This is this application from Human Consumer ENC. Hit the install button and wait. Now, here as you can see, we have installing and installed. So hit open, agree, accept, get started, allow, and now we are searching for a product. So turn it off and then turn it on back again so that it will be found. If your application don't see your headphones, you need to pair your headphones before this whole process. Now hit connect. So to do so, we need to plug our microphone into our headphones. So plug your microphone, and wait a moment, I need to do it somehow so that it won't be damaging my headphones. And now here, once our microphone is plugged in, you need to just find this button over here, near the charging port, and short press it. Sometimes it may be difficult, but it's mostly working. Now, as you can see, we don't, so retry. Wait a moment, connect, and now, again, please short press mute. So now, we need to find this somehow. It's difficult to, overcome it, but it works. It's not easy, as you might think. Now we need to tap retry again and connect again. Mostly I will just cut this from the video, but now I want to show this process because it's just taking long, so yeah. Now, it's here. Tap pair and connect, and pair. This should be now done. I don't know why it's not done. But now we should be. As you can see, your headphones have been added. So it works. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.